Okay, I can hear something clunking. Also show you this. It says Chester there, and if Chester don't mind, I haven't met him. Spoke to him about 2 weeks ago, where he sent me a message that he would sponsor me the scoop, which I'm thankful for. And even though I couldn't go fetch it, he couriered it to me at his own cost. So thank you for that. And also, as I said, if Chester don't mind, I did know that his wife, who was a avid treasure hunter, and his partner in metal detecting, passed away a few days ago. So my condolences to Chester, those of you that know him in the Cape Town West Coast area. Yeah, so will be only this little beach area, a little launch area, fishing area, so I'll be gridding that. I'll see you guys on the first target. Okay, hopefully this is not too deep. 16-20 out of the hole. Scoop. Different angle. Oh, I can already feel the handle bending here. Let's see if we have it. It's already sifting much better. That's what normal. Stand by. Right, I think we have it. That was giving me the runaround. Ah, the scoop's a nice scoop. Oh, okay. No fishing wedge yet, but we have a vape. Lekker man, a scoop. Filters nicely. Nice drainage holes all around compared to the other one. So that's good. I felt the handle bent a bit, but alright, I'll take it easy. Right, here's another 18. That could be our fishing sinker. Let's have a look. Let's put it in and flick it fast. Maybe I've just gone over that. We'll check now. No, we have it, I think. Okay, so I see it. If I can get it. Wow. And I'm barefoot. Hey, now. Okay, we have it. Let's see. Must I leave the 18s alone now? See, right next to that other nail, another nail. So I'm going to get out of here. I mean, just jump 10-20 meters in any other direction. Alright, this is a deep one, so I shouldn't be switching on. I should be anyway. Scoop strong enough. This surface is so clayey. I think we have it. Okay, I can hear something clunking. Hello. Ah, here we go. I was just telling that gentleman. Sunker, yeah. First one in the pocket now. Okay, shallow 20. So we go thick and fast. Not too shallow, not too fast. Flip that scoop. Let's see. Okay, got it. Let's see. Yeah, I can feel it. Oh, my soul, whatever. See, crabs and what I said to you, we will be finding. There's some, I don't know, bait if you guys want. Yeah, okay, sorry. Yeah, I'm from Joburg, so I only know millibomb and yeah. Okay, 18-20. Again, I told you what to expect. Huh? I just see snails. Sorry guys, did I miss that? I did. Stand by. Okay, another sinker that was. This one's showing up to 32. Wow. Could still be a coin. It is salt water after all. I'm assuming I have it, that's why I'm shaking. Huh. I see 27, 28, For those that knows the Equinox, you know what this is. Well, we think. And again, we're wrong. $19.20. Man, I would love a ring, but it's not. Okay, massive waves. No, I'm just joking. There's not massive waves. This is a 23. I'm gonna go about 2 inches. That should be fine. Oh, I think, yeah, here we go. See, these fishing weights reads up differently because of different shapes, sizes. All right. Yeah, of course. Another one. It's a fishing weight.
No sinkers.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a few now already, so.
Cool. Yeah, expensive enough.
Yeah, if you have enough, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's see if we can learn from our lesson. We try and take that first scoop deeper. Always deeper is better because, as I said, once you go too shallow, you know, then you start chasing it. All right, let's see. I'll tell you, this scoop is better than the other one, the big jim I have, as far as drainage is concerned. You see, we made the same mistake. Not you, I. Let's see if I can see that reflective tape. There we go. We go back into the hole. Flip it fast, otherwise it falls out. You have to flip it fast. I didn't even check the hole. I was just confident I had it. Here we go. Right, I hope you don't mind, guys. I hope you don't mind. Maybe we find something. Yeah, another one. Okay, getting back into the water shortly. Just let's take this 17, 18. We have it. It's 17, 18 out of the hole. Would love to finish this today with some silver. Okay, I'm not even checking the hole. Okay, it is out. No. Okay, that is that a sinker? Okay, it's not that. Then it's that. All right. Something else. I don't know. Some platey, weighty fish and chips with something EP on it. Eastern Province. I'm going to say this is round because the solid reading. We have it. Huh? Yeah, I felt that as I swung the scoop over it. Yeah, that's as round as they get. See, that's how you pump prawns, brother. I mean, that's why South Africans call each other prawns. Fine, surface find. Yeah, let's see if I can miss that one. Here we go. It says adrenaline, which I only find when I get gold. Shallow 1920. Water retrieval can be tricky. This is a solid 20. Out of the hole. Let's see. I felt that. I felt that. Here we go. Let's see. Bit of a different shape, but it is another fishing weight. Okay. Right, it's like 3 smaller scoops. Okay. Let me get this camera right. Sorry, guys. Yeah. We got it. That's big. It's out of the hole, Dion. That's why. Yeah. But I tell you, this surface is so clay. Let's get to the water. Don't want to put this in my pocket anyway. Big boy. Alright, 16. Now I see that 14 as well now, which is, I see it. Oh well, no coins today, but we can't leave without a pull tab, can we? Okay, we have it. Let's shake them. Oh, all right. Come on, an old castle. Okay, so guys, before we do a handout, I'm going to give it to this gentleman who's going to catch some fish. Yes, but before we do that, yeah, those are all the sinkers. That was hard work, and some left behind. We've got a vape there, but mostly sinkers. A lot of them left behind because once you start chasing them, it becomes difficult. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next hunt.